It's time to put on your eclipse glasses and stare up into the sky, safely. Millions of people in the Americas will have the opportunity to view a solar annular eclipse on October 14th. This occurs when the moon is nearly at its apogee, the distance between it and Earth, during a complete solar eclipse. Due to the moon's apparent size being less than normal, the famous ring of fire effect cannot be seen on the whole solar disk. From Oregon through Texas, via Yucatan, the southernmost region of Central America, and then stretching south to Brazil, the ring of flames will be seen. However, you will be able to observe a partial solar eclipse even if you are not in the annularity's path. Many individuals will be in a position to see the moon partially obscure the sun from the western United States all the way down to the southern United States. Beginning at 11:03 a.m. EDT, 3:03 p.m. UTC, the west coast of the United States will see the partial eclipse first. At 9:13 a.m. PT, 12:13 p.m. EDT4, 13 p.m. UTC, the ring of fire will be visible in Oregon. It will endure for 3 minutes and 55 seconds. It will start at 11:41 CDT, 4:41 p.m. UTC, and terminate in Texas after traveling across 7 states. In comparison to the Earth's orbit around the Sun, the Moon's orbit around the Earth is slightly tipped. Syzygy, the alignment of the 3 bodies on the same line, causes eclipses. A few times a year, but in cycles, this occurs. When the sun is entirely obscured during a total solar eclipse, it is safe to stare at the spectacle with your eyes. However, you shouldn't try it during a partial or annular eclipse. Even when the moon is partially blocking the sun's light, staring straight at it can cause severe eye pain and even retinal burns. These visual impairments might be transitory in some cases, but they could also become permanent. Please take precautions and use quality sunglasses, which block around 99.7% of the sun's visible radiation, as well as other wavelengths. You may observe the eclipse indirectly by using a pinhole camera or even by utilizing a disco ball. Make careful to use filters if you want to see the eclipse using a telescope, binoculars, or camera, especially if the lenses might throw light right into your eyes. When it comes to watching this amazing event, use common sense. NASA has you covered if you are not in the annularity's path, or even where the partial eclipse will be seen. From 11:30 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. EDT, NASA TV will broadcast live coverage of the cosmic alignment on YouTube, its website, and social media. Additionally, the U.S. is fortunate to have another solar eclipse coming up in only 6 months if you happen to miss this one. A complete solar eclipse will span the U.S. from Texas to Maine on April 8, 2024, and be visible from Mexico to Canada.